So you're finally ready to hire employees and let them help you handle the multitude of tasks that you have to do each day in order to keep your small business running, but you are feeling overwhelmed and confused at exactly how to hire them, what you need to do to stay state compliant, and how to actually get a payroll system and do all the complicated things that having employees requires. I want to show you the back end of exactly how I hire, onboard, pay, and stay state compliant and tax compliant with my employees. The software that I use is called Gusto. Gusto makes it incredibly simple and easy to hire, pay, onboard, stay state and tax compliant with your employees and your independent contractors. For those of you that are not yet ready to hire employees, but you want to streamline your independent contractor payroll and taxes, then this is also for you. Now, Gusto allows you to onboard, pay, and issue tax forms for both independent contractors as well as employees. The system allows you to send over an offer letter and hiring agreement over to those independent contractors or employees. Once they accept that letter, it then puts them through an automated onboarding system where they can enter in their own personal details as well as their bank details to receive direct deposit. Once that process is complete, your employees and contractors can either track their own time using the time tracking tool within the system, or you can enter in their information manually. You also can set up the system to run on autopilot. So for those of you that have employees that will be having regular business hours with no changes, you can set this system and forget it, and it will pay them automatically. Now, you're going to be required to register with your state's employment board. In my state, the state of California, that's the California EDD. Once you create an account with your state's employment board as an employer, then you can take that registration number for that account that you have and you can integrate it into Gusto's system. That then means that Gusto will be able to calculate and remit those taxes that you must pay if you are running payroll. Additionally, if you are hiring employees, you are most likely going to be required to hold workers' comp insurance for those employees. Gusto provides you with in-house quotes on workers' comp insurance that you can easily integrate through their dashboard. These fees are calculated and paid out automatically, and it makes the process really simple. Next, Gusto issues all the tax forms that you need in order to be state and federally compliant. Things like 1099s, W-9s, W-2s, or any other tax form that you need to be payroll compliant with state and federal tax agencies will be calculated, filled out, and issued by Gusto. Lastly, if you want to give Gusto a try, I want to make sure that you use the link in the description down below because you will get a $100 referral bonus from Gusto the first time that you run payroll using my link. Okay, you guys, I hope that was helpful in taking some of the confusion, fear, and uncertainty about hiring, onboarding, paying, and staying tax and state compliant with your employees.